Welcome! I'm Tabitha from the George Memorial Library, and in this video, we'll learn to create a custom letterhead and stationery in Microsoft Word. When we put something in the header or footer, it will appear that way on every page and not interfere with the body of the text. To access this area, click on the Insert tab and select the Header button about halfway across the screen. It gives us some suggestions for default headers, but since we want to make our own, we'll come down here close to the bottom and choose Edit Header. Now we have a new tab up here, Header and Footer. Toward the left side, we have a button that says Pictures. We'll click that and navigate to the folder where the picture of our logo is stored. This is much bigger than we want, so I'll click and hold down on a corner and drag the mouse toward the center of the picture to shrink it down. Right now, it's lined up with the left margin as if it were text, and I'm not sure that's where we want it. So, to reposition our image, we'll click this Picture Format tab that appeared with our picture. Toward the right, there's a button that says Position. This lets us line our image up with the 9 default areas of the page: top left, top center, top right, and so forth. The text automatically moves to create a square around it. I'm not sure I like those positions though, so instead, I'm going to click on the button below it, Wrap Text. This setting controls how the text reacts when it interferes with the position of the picture, but we're going to use it to say that our logo can go in front of the text. This frees the picture up so we can drag the picture anywhere we want. Be careful not to put it too close to the edge of the page because the printer won't print it over there. Now that we have our picture where we want, let's type in our slogan. Now we're going to say it's done, so we'll click back on the Header and Footer tab and select Close Header and Footer. Because this is in the header, it is exactly the same at the top of every page in this document, even pages that don't exist yet. Once we type enough content to spill over onto another page, the header will automatically generate on that new page. So now that we have our letterhead, let's fancy up our paper by making some custom stationery. For this, we'll click the Design tab, and on the far right, we'll choose Watermark. It gives us a selection of default watermarks, and we can tell that this function is usually used to mark a document as confidential or a draft. We're going to use it, though, to set an image we like as the background of the page. Close to the bottom, we'll choose Custom Watermark. In the box that comes up, we can choose between a picture watermark or a text watermark. The text options make it just like the examples we saw, but we want a picture, so we'll select that option. Then we'll press Select Picture, and it asks where we want to get our picture from. If it's a picture we have stored on our computer, we'll say From a File and navigate to the folder where the picture is stored. We could also look for free use pictures on the internet by selecting Bing Image Search. Once we've selected our picture, we can make a few adjustments using these buttons below. The picture might be too vibrant, and it might make the document very hard to read. Checking the washout box fades the picture so it looks more like a background and the text stands out on top of it. To see what any changes we make look like, we'll click Apply. This drop-down menu controls the size of the image. Auto means we're letting the computer figure out how the image best fills the page. If we don't like what it decided, we can manually set it. Here, 100% brings the image to its full size. 50% makes the image half its true size, and so forth. So we play with those settings until we find what we're happy with, close out of this box, and voila! We have a letterhead and custom stationery. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please click the like button, leave a comment, and for more, check out our calendar at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us/events. Thank you so much for watching.